Hello children, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Happy to meet you all. This is Agalya, teacher from Tiruvallur block. Hope you are all learned very well the sounds of English alphabet. After learning the sounds of English alphabet, you may be eagerly waiting to learn what is next. Am I correct? Yes. To make you a fluent English reader, it's very important to learn blending. Do you know blending? Blending means combining the sounds of letters. Now we are going to learn blending using CVC words in shell. CVC words? Yes, CVC stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. That is three-letter word. With the help of this three-letter word, we can learn to blend two or three-letter word sounds. Shall we see the CVC blending with short vowel A? What is this letter? A. What is the sound of letter? A. What is the sound of B? Let us blend this sound. A. A. What is the sound of C? K. K. A. Ka. What is the sound of D? D. A. Da. What is the sound of G? G. G. A. Ga. What is the sound of J? J. J. A. Ja. What is the sound of yan? A. Na. What is the sound of L? A. La. Let us recall. Cab. Dab. Gab. Jab. Nab. Lab. Okay children, shall we go to the next one? A. What is the sound of T? T. Let us blend these sounds. A. T. At. What is the sound of B? B. B. At. Bat. What is the sound of M? At. Mat. What is the sound of R? R. R. At. Rat. Shall we recall? Bat. Mat. Rat. Shall we go to the next one? What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of G? G. Let us blend these sounds. A. G. Ag. What is the sound of B? B. B. Ag. Bag. What is the sound of T? T. T. Ag. Tag. What is the sound of R? R. R. Ag. Rag. Let us recall. Bag. Tag. Rag. Shall we go to the next one? What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of M? Let us blend. A. Am. What is the sound of J? J. J. Am. Jam. What is the sound of Y? Y. Y. Am. Yam. What is the sound of D? D. D. Am. Dam. Let us recall children. Jam. Yam. Dam. Okay children. Hope you all enjoy this video. Practice well. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.